Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are discussing current electricity of physics class 10. Let's proceed. So in our last classes we have discussed Ohm's law. Ohm's law. We'll proceed. What is Ohm's law? It is nothing but V equal to IR. And in my last video we have explained that R is constant and it does not depend on V and I. In a circuit, resistance will be always fixed or constant, or you can say fixed. Now next, what is resistance actually? Let us come to that point. Resistance is the obstruction that the electrons face when they are flowing. Simple. When the electrons will face obstruction, then their flow will reduce. So ultimately, resistance is the obstruction that they face in a electric circuit. So from this equation, what we can write? R equal to V by I. Now, what is the unit of resistance? From the formula we get unit of resistance. Suppose R will be unit of volt, we know it is unit of potential difference is volt, and unit of current is ampere, we know. All these units I am telling about are SI unit. So R will be volt by ampere, and this volt by ampere is said to be ohm. We denote it as this and we write it OHM, ohm. So unit of resistance is ohm. Please note it down. In your board you may be asked what is the unit of resistance. It will be ohm. Now let us come to the point. What is 1 ohm? Question is often asked, what is 1 ohm resistance? So 1 ohm resistance, how we will find? We will go from our basic definition. R is V by I. For 1 ohm, we will take 1 volt by 1 ampere. Then only it will be 1, because 1 is 1 by 1. We can write it. So from here we can say that 1 volt potential difference, and when we take 1 ampere current, it forms 1 ohm. So what will be the proper definition? Let me write here the proper definition of 1 ohm. 1 ohm resistance. So 1 ohm is the resistance of a circuit when the potential difference let me clear it. When the potential difference across the terminals of a battery is 1 volt and current flowing in the circuit is 1 ampere. Thus 1 ohm equal to 1 volt by 1 amp. Please note it down. It is an important definition. 1 ohm resistance. This is often asked in the in the question. So here you can write V 1 volt ampere is denoted by A. That's it. So I am rubbing it off. So now we have learned what is resistance, what is potential difference, what is current, what is the unit of resistance, what is the unit of potential difference, what is the unit of current. I think unit of current you have learned before only in class 8 or 9. So that I have not discussed in details. Now let us move to a question. This example 12.3 from your NCERT book. The question is that how much current will an electric bulb draw from a 220 source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm. So first let us write what is given. Example. Let me write it nicely. Example 12.3 NCERT. Okay. That means what is the potential difference given? When it is said 20 volt source, potential difference will be 20 volt, and the resistance is also given. That is given as 1200 ohm, and we have to find current. So simple, we will use the basic definition, that is V equal to IR. Now just put the values. V is 20 volt, 20, I is what? We don't know, and R is 1200. So I will be 1200 will come here, 0 and 0 will get 2, 6 are 12, 0, 0, 1 by 60. Convert it to decimal if required. Now see, when the unit of potential difference is volt and the unit of resistance is ohm, what will be the unit of current? It will be obviously ampere, so it will be in ampere. So first answer 1 by 60 ampere. If required, convert it to decimal, it will be what? You can do it by yourself. We will move ahead. The second part of the question, how much current will an electric heater coil draw from a 220 volt source? Again the volt is 220. Sorry, I am very sorry. It was 220 volt. So here it will be 220. And here also it will be 220. So it will be not 1 by 60. I am very sorry. It will not be 1 by 60. 220 by 120. Sorry, 222 by 120. This will be the answer, not 1 by 60. You can further cancel it by 2, 11, 60. 11 by 60. Am I right? Please check it once again. 220 volt was given. So resistance was 1200 ohm. Yes, sure. Current, then 220, 1200. Alright, this will be the final answer. Sorry for the mistake. So let's move on to the next part. In the next part of the question, what is given? We are given that how much current will an electric heater coil draw from a 220 volt source? Again the voltage, or the not the voltage, the potential difference is 220 volt. If the resistance of the heater is 100 ohm, this time resistance is given as 100 ohm. Again we need to find the current. This is ohm. So again the same formula, V equal to IR, then volt is 220 volt, potential difference. In fact, you need not write the units while you are doing calculations. Current we don't know, and R is 100 ohm. Very simple. I will be 220 by 100, because this 100 will come here, then it will be divided. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 22 by 10, that will be 2.2 ampere. This will be the answer for the second part. So we have discussed example 12.3. Next we will move on in our next classes with another numericals and also lot of concepts. We have lot more to study in this chapter, but I assure you that I will give my level best to make you understand all the concepts. Any doubt, you are free to ask me in the comment section. So hope you have liked the video. Thank you.